So in the next step of the reduction process, I want to divide this sample in half because it's still too much to put in our sieve stack. That's still more than would fit easily in that top pan. So to do this randomly and equally, I'm going to dump our sample into the riffle splitter here. And again, I'm sort of doing this one-handed, but you get the idea. The aim, oh yeah, that's the bucket. If I were not diligent, I might just leave that, okay? And this is an example of loss that could happen during the procedure. And in fact, you will see in your data that some of the particles do get lost along the way. This is one way it can happen. So I'm gonna try to get all that out and into this container. That's better. Not perfect, but better. And we're gonna do the riffle split now and see how this works. All right, so again, here's the Gibson riffle splitter. It's got that handle on the top, and then it has two basins on the bottom, one on the right side and one on the left side. And you can see that some of that dust is already filtered through. Okay, so how exciting is this? Basically, that is our process, and that splits everything into two piles. Now, but it doesn't always go through very nicely, so what I'm gonna do is let this close. Definitely don't want to get your fingers in there, and I'm just gonna encourage a little bit and see what that did. There's still some residual. All right, so at this point, somewhere on here is our safety switch that I cannot do one-handed. Anyway, I'm gonna persuade that material to go down through, and you'll have to trust me on that. But when I'm done, I will have a pan here at the bottom that has half of that sample randomly divided into two, and that's what we'll use in our sieve stack.